Welcome back to the channel. Today's next day, still working on the 69. Today we're just gonna pull the transmission out, the old one, and finish it up. If you watched the last video, we were down to a few more bolts, disconnecting the cooler lines and moving the cross member out of the way. And we are there this morning. We already been here not too long, but me and my brother-in-law, Juan, this is his truck. And so yesterday, if you watched the video, we put the Boyd Welding Tank. It's nice. We haven't connected everything, but we're getting there. And then today, got here this morning, and here we go. We're to move the cross member. We just moved it back because it's kind of hard to take it out, but we moved it back right where it clears. So it clears this down. Disconnected, finished disconnecting everything. Cooler lines, if I can get in there. Cooler lines are disconnected. Everything, dipstick is out. We didn't get to drain it because the plug here, somebody way over tightened it and it just couldn't get it out. So we're here, everything's out. We're gonna drop it today, and then I'll show you. We have the one that's going in right over here. This one is super nice. Here we go. This one's a Mad Dog transmission. It's a level 2. Can hold up to 500 horsepower. And this truck's not pushing it. It's LS swapped. It's got some power, but it doesn't push that much. So it's gonna be great. Cut it up on the lift. We're about to drop that transmission, and then we'll show you when it's out. All right, so because we couldn't drain it because the plug is just completely stripped, this is how we're setting it up right now. We just tilted it. We tilted it this way. You're not gonna drain it all, but at least get as much as we can so when we level it out and we put it on cardboard, it's not just leaking so much out. So that's a little what we're gonna do for now, and then later we'll completely drain it out. We'll probably open it up, see what went wrong, maybe put some new clutches, see if the pump didn't go out and all that extra stuff. That'll be on another video. All right, so we got it out. Transmission's gone. Everything's here. Clear, we're to put it over there. We have another issue here with the O2 sensor. It sticks up and it's in the way of the shift link, the linkage, and my brother-in-law has had trouble with that for a while. Finally, we figured out, we hadn't really looked at it, what the problem was, but that's what it is. We're gonna try to see what we can do about that. Also, got a new 3-row radiator, electric fans, that is also going in the 69. So there's a lot of stuff going on that we're doing right now to the truck. See if I can get it on here. So we're excited, everything's coming along. Next thing will be plumbing. We're gonna try to plumbing with everything with the Evil Energy stuff that we have. If the fittings show up this week, plumb it. We'll put the new transmission in, hook it all up, and then we jump on the radiator. So that's the plan. That's how we're going so far. I appreciate everybody's support. Thank everybody for all the views, people that comment. I appreciate you guys. And we're working on that 69. Look at the mess we have right now. Here's the bed. Fender, this fender is gonna get fixed. See that? That's how he bought it. But my buddy Leo is in town today. He's gonna take it. There's the 4060. There's the 69. Look at all the mess we have right now. But we're working. We're gonna clean up a little bit maybe, and then get everything ready for the fittings and hook up that tank. Get everything back going. Appreciate everybody. See you on the next video.